The input signal not found error on your HP docking station means the dock isn't successfully sending video to your monitor via HDMI or DisplayPort over the USB-C connection. This often involves issues with HDMI handshaking, also known as EDID negotiation, power delivery problems, outdated drivers or firmware, or faulty cables. First, ensure all cables are securely connected to both the docking station and the monitor. Use high-speed HDMI cables version 2.0 or higher for reliable signal transmission. Inspect cables for damage, such as bent pins or worn connectors. Try swapping the HDMI cable to rule out a faulty cable as the issue. Outdated drivers or BIOS versions can prevent proper signal routing in HP docking stations. Use Device Manager in Windows to update the HP docking station drivers. Open Device Manager and locate the docking station under Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Check HP's support website for firmware updates specific to your docking station model. Download and install any available updates. Install HP Support Assistant for automated driver updates and diagnostics. It will scan for and install the latest drivers. Sometimes, simply restarting the docking station and your computer can resolve the issue. First, disconnect the dock from power for about 30 seconds, then reconnect it. This clears any temporary hardware glitches. Next, restart your computer. This can clear temporary software glitches affecting the connection. Enter your computer's BIOS settings by pressing Del, F2, or F12 during startup. In BIOS, look for display settings related to external displays or docking stations. Enable display auto detection if available in the settings. If the issue began after a recent update, a BIOS rollback might be needed. For advanced users, consider using tools like HDMI signal testers to check waveform integrity. These tools can analyze signal patterns and identify issues with the HDMI transmission. You can also run HP's automated diagnostics tool via HP Support Assistant. This built-in software can detect signal faults and guide you through fixes in real time. If physical damage to the HDMI port is suspected, carefully inspect it for scratches, dirt, or bent pins that could cause signal issues. Looking ahead, HP is developing more robust USB-C hubs with enhanced power management to prevent signal drops. These hubs will feature AI-driven diagnostics that automatically detect and correct signal issues using machine learning. Smart docks by 2026 will integrate AI to autocorrect problems, and modular designs will allow replaceable cables for sustainability. Wireless docking solutions using Wi-Fi 7 will significantly reduce wired HDMI problems while supporting higher resolutions like 4K and 8K. To prevent issues, always use certified HP cables and regularly update your drivers and firmware.